Yeah, the center of group 4 agriculture subject. The title for this presentation project is Engineering a Mini Park, a Real World Application of Conic Section and Land Systems. And as we can see here, this is our mini park. The conic section that we use for our mini park is circle and ellipse. Circle for the fountain and for the walk path is the ellipse. And we come here for the design plan. This is the design plan for our mini park. As you can see, the center of the circle is at 0, 0. Same goes for the ellipse. And for the math justification, the equation for the circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. We can only use this equation if the center is at 0, 0. So we have x squared plus y squared equals 2 squared. Uh, we get x squared plus y squared equals to 4. So we have the radius of 4 units inches. The intercept is 4, 0, negative 4, 0, 0, 4, and 0, negative 4. For the standard equation of the ellipse, we have x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. And this is the characteristic of the ellipse. Semi-major is a equals to 8. Endpoints 8, 0, and negative 8, 0. At the semi-minor, we have b equals 5. Endpoints 0, 5, 0, negative 5, and to get the foci, we just get c is equals to a squared minus b squared. And we have our a is 8 and b as 5. 8 squared is equal to 64 and 5 squared is equal to 25. 64 minus 25 is 39. Square root of 39 is 6.24. So we already have our value for a and b. Now let's go substitute it for the equation of the ellipse. X squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. So the a is 8. 8 squared, we just get 64. And for the b, we have 5. So 5 squared is 25. So the equation is x squared over 64 plus y squared over 25 equals 1. Now, we move on for our word problems. For the circle, we have a mini park is being constructed with a circular fountain at its center. The fountain has a radius of 2 meters. If a store is placed on the end edge of the fountain at a height of 1 meter above the center, what is the horizontal distance of the store from the center? So, to solve this problem, we just have to use the standard equation of the circle. We have here the given r is equals to 2, distance is equal to 4, and center is equals to 0, 0. We find the horizontal distance of the store from the center. So, as I said earlier, we use the standard equation of the circle. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. X squared plus 1 squared equals to 2 squared. So x squared plus 1, 1 squared is just 1, so equal 2 squared may minus 4. So we we get 1 from the given, which is the height of 1 meter above the center. So meaning above, so vertically, so it will be substituted in the y. So we get y squared is equals to 4 minus 1. We transpose the positive 1 and it turned into a negative 1. Then square root to cancel the squared in the x. So we have x equals positive negative square root of 3. Now we move on to the second problem, the ellipse. We read the problem. An elliptical walkpath is being constructed around the fountain in the mini park. The major axis of the ellipse is 16 meters. So this is 2a is equal to 16, a is equal to 8. And the minor axis is 10 meters. 2b equals to 10, b equals to 5. We just get 8 by 16 divided by 2. And same goes as 10 divided by 2. If a gardener is standing at the center of the ellipse of the axis, which is equal x is equals to 0, how far is the gardener from the edge of the walkpath? So we have to find the distance of how far the gardener is from the edge of the walkpath. So for solving this, we just use again the standard equation for the ellipse. X squared plus y squared over a squared plus b squared equals 1. So we have the given a squared is equal to 64, a is equal to 28, b squared equal to 25, b is equal to 25. We just get it by square, it's square root. Okay. Solve, we just substitute the value of a is a squared, so 64, 25, so 8 8 squared will be 64 and 5 squared will be 25 equals to 1, and then y squared over 25 equals to 1, uh, y squared equals 25, then we extract the square root, so the squared will be cancelled, so the square root of 25 is 5, so the distance of how far the gardener is from the edge of the walkpath is just 5. And that's all for our word problems. Thank you. And I'm your presenter.